My name is Puput Nitasari. NIM 2110231205. Program Studi Bimbingan dan Konseling. Topik Learning Process. Learning process. The learning process is a process in which there are interaction activities between teacher and students. There is reception communication that takes place in educational situation to active learning objective. Definition of the learning process according to experts. De Vries, Lee G. Cornbach. Learning is shown by a change in behavior as a result of experience. 2. Harold Laswell. Learning is to observe, to read, to imagine, to try something themselves, to listen, to follow research. Learning theory. De Vries, behavioristic learning theory. This theory studies human behavior. Learning according to behavioristic psychology is an instrument of control that comes from the environment. Learning or not a person depends on the traditional factor provided by the environment. Learning can be interpreted as an interaction between stimulus and response. 2. Cognitive learning theory. This theory is the learning process rather than the learning process. According to this theory, Knowledge is built with a person through a process of interaction rather to the environment. Jet Bigot develops 4 schemas that children as in understanding the world, namely, the first, sensory-motor stage in children aged 0 to 2 years. 2. Pre-operational stage of children from 2 to 7 years of age. 3. The concrete operational stage occurs between the ages of 7 and on. 4. The formal operational stage occurs from 1 year of age to adulthood. Type of learning. The first, listen. Listens as receptions of information and knowledge. This type of learning person does not have a problem with visual operation when teaching. The important thing is to listen to the teacher. Conversation will end clearly. 2. Read. Read book can be in the form of simple but basic activities, namely simple painting graphic of symbols, and can also develop into more complex activities in the form of pouring or strokes, known as compassing. 3. Skill. Learning skill is a learning process using motor movements with muscles and nerves to master certain physical skills. Intensive and regular teaching is needed. Motoric motion with common sense, logical and rational to solve problems. 5. Solution on problem. Learning problem solving is learning to think systematic, regular and thoroughly using more sensitive methods in solving a problem. Learning process method. The first, discovery learning. Discovery learning method is a teaching method that regulates teaching in such a way that children acquire knowledge that they did not know before, not through notification that they did not know before, not through notification, partially or wholly discovered by themselves. 2. Concept maps. Concept map is a teaching and learning strategy that is able to bridge between how one learners' knowledge and how on years recently. Request the teacher to understand the topic and encourages the student to concept meaning. Stage of the learning process. The first, information phase. Material acceptance stage. A student who is studying gets some information about the material being studied. 2. Transformation phase. Material change stage. The information phase becomes an abstract from an analysis that will be asked for breathing. 3. Motivation stage. Motivation function stage. As I drive first and as I drive off on behavior to active I goal. 4. Retention stage. Information definition phase. Information that is stored in the short term and in the long term, namely the reception of information in short-term memory can be transferred to long-term memory. 5. Material final phase. A student will self-assess to what extent the knowledge of transformed information can be to understand and solve the problems at hand. Learning process factor. Factors that influence learning outcomes are things or factors that will affect learning outcomes. Learning factors are divided into namely the first, internal factor. Factors that come from within the individual that can after the learning process. 2. External factor. Factors that come from outside, namely the condition of the surrounding environment. Okay, thank you all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.